There are several factors that are important to consider when looking at applying for an online short-term loan, but one of the biggest is how much can be borrowed. A long-term loan with higher rates can be really helpful for paying a mortgage or other major expenses, but not when you are simply in need of cash now. The good news is that there are some ways to get more out of your borrowing when you apply for the internet loan you need. The key is to understand your options and make a smart choice. First, you must compare the interest rate offered by different lenders and different companies so that you have a good idea of what you can expect. You might want to ask other people about their experiences with the company, and how they manage to get the best rate possible. Next, you should find out which programs allow you to combine the loan with other forms of financing so that you get the best possible deal. For example, if you are trying to cover a larger bill, you can sometimes pay off the online loan with another type of credit, such as a secured loan from your home. If you are applying for an online short-term loan on a budget, this may be an important consideration. Since rates are higher online, you will need to find ways to help yourself stay within your budget. It's hard to keep track of all the payments and credits at once, so consider using a credit card, charge card or online loan. Depending on how much money you spend, you might not have to pay them back until a later date. Although it might seem that paying a higher interest rate is a better idea, this can result in you paying more over the long run, and you will lose some of the money you originally saved. If you pay only the minimum payment each month, this can help you avoid paying more. When you do the math, you may find that it is better to take advantage of a lower interest rate and pay off the loan in full than to incur the higher cost in the first place. The end result is less debt and more financial freedom. The thing to remember when deciding whether or not to take out an online loan is that it doesn't always pay to have all your options checked. Because you will probably need to borrow money before the end of the month, it will be less painful to find a way to pay it off before the end of the month. Be sure to read through the fine print carefully, though. There are some lenders who say they will only charge a fee if you don't make your minimum payment, but never specify how much. While it may seem like a good idea to let the creditor get their hands on that fee, it can actually cost you more in the long run. Don't give away your valuable time by taking the first offer that you come across online.